Supposed to be a gentle sea breeze blowing in and maybe kicking up a couple of showers. Got all hyperactive when another boundary came in from Corpus Christi and collided with it and gave us a good shot at rain, a big cluster of thunderstorms that moved south through eastern Hidalgo County today. Dropped, let's see, 1/4 inch of rain at Edinburgh, and at Weslaco, nearly an inch of rain. So yeah, good stuff. 76 degrees, warm and humid overnight tonight. Still a tiny chance for a shower. Now let's talk about what we face tomorrow. Tomorrow, mostly clear in the morning, a few puffy clouds, 83 degrees at 8 a.m., and then right on up to about 96 in the afternoon, 98 in the upper valley, but a chance for sea breeze showers as the sea breeze blows in by itself. It's not expected to collide with another boundary like today. So there you go. From the coast on inland, it usually starts about Los Fresnos and then makes its way on inland and kicks up a few showers here and there as that cool curtain of air, which draws in the afternoon and then bulldozes into the warm, moist air over land and helps to keep things kicked up. And that helps to generate the showers and thunderstorms. But usually they're quite timid. But when they get, activated or turbocharged, excited by another boundary in a collision, well, then things get out of control. But we did manage to have a pretty decent rain out of it today in spots. Thursday afternoon, it's going to happen again. Friday afternoon, again. The weekend, again and again. So that's pretty much what it's the season for that, so it's no problem. And again, Storm Prediction Center says let's keep it, low tones. This general thunderstorm category, not expecting an outbreak of severe weather from this. We look at the day to day and can see as I said, day after day after day after day, the opportunity will present itself each afternoon. Now, just because the sea breeze blows in doesn't mean it has to kick up rain, but it probably will these next few days. But it's only going to add up to, look at the forecast, 1/100 of an inch in the mid-valley to 1/10 of an inch in the lower valley to maybe 1/2 inch in the upper valley. And you could switch those numbers around any which way you like. So not a lot of rain is expected. Of course, there will be isolated amounts that will be heavier, like what we had today in Weslaco and Monte Alto and Edcouch Elsa. There goes Erin, that hurricane you keep hearing about that's running up the East Coast, again expected to move on and away. But still, it's generating a lot of coastal issues for those folks, North Carolina and Virginia. The next couple of batches, basically this one off Africa has a 30% chance. We'll keep an eye on it because it's so far out. Could go either way. And then this one that's in the south central Atlantic, that's more than likely going to curve on up just like Erin did and go on up into the western Atlantic. No threats to the valley in the next 7 days for sure. The only threat we have is for lots of sun, a few puffy clouds, and a few afternoon rumbles.